How to disable privacy number in 2025. So before we go forward, please kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button, choose your all so that you can be able to get. So first of all, you have to choose click the phone, then click the setting up there. So you just have to click the setting, then when the settings open, then you choose career features. Yeah, you select the career features as indicated. So once you press it, it will take you to this option. Then you choose which of the SIM card that has the privacy number issue. SIM 1, you choose SIM 1. If it's SIM 2, you choose SIM 2. So after selecting your SIM 1, then you go to the additional setting here as indicated. So once you press it to bring you to this final place, then choose the caller ID. Yeah, you just choose the caller ID. That's now you can select either network defaults or show number. Any of them is okay. So once you do that, you are good to go. So that's that. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the notification button. Thank you very much. Bye bye for now.